Hey everybody, ScottBurnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And as you can see, there's my big brother right in front of me. Speed bump. We have been over here just with a straight face waylaying them today. No, we've been over here at CartersLake today again. Put 2 fish in the boat, which I'm very proud of. It's a very hard lake to fish, but had a beautiful day. I mean, you can't ask for a more pretty day, and to get away with your family and do some fishing, it's all right. But let's check out this footage and hopefully it comes out. Put that back on there for me. I think we got 2 fish or something here. Got something in this one. What do you got? That's pretty good fish, isn't it? Can I go over you? Might want to get the net. Just for the heck of it. How tight's that drag? Not tremendously. Good. Rig them on it. You're hitting the camera. That looks like a walleye or something. It's a 23 pounder. You got a lake record walleye. That may be a striper. Probably SpottedBass, no my lake. Turn the clicker back on so we hear what. It's heavy. It's a heavy fish. I think I just said that. That was an echo. And look at the top. Oh, it's got to be a striper. Coming up. Oh, he's way on out there. No, we'll get this free line. All right, step forward and backward. Boat. Turn the boat to the right, man. Ladies and gentlemen, I got a big one on. Hopefully we'll get it to the boat. You better hurry and get him in before he gets in that tree over there. You may touch that drag just a little bit, just to help it. This is CartersLake, I don't want. Alright, you're going crazy. Screwed up just a little bit. There we go. There we go. Can't get the camera right. Beautiful CartersLake striper this morning. All right, we're gonna let this big one back, and y'all like to watch me do this, so here we go. You got that. Step up. I can't. Well, you got a 7-pound trout meat. Go it. Tarpon. Yeah, big spot. Big spot. You got a 7-pound trout in him, man. Good Lord. That's what that belly is. Nope. Good hook come in? Yep. Hook's already out. All right, that's a quick one. Good spotted bass there. All right, so there's a lull in the fishing. So we put 2 in the boat, but that's it. It's dead. It's dead at 4 o'clock out here. And if any of y'all want to know what that saying means, I'll tell you today. But I thought I'd do a tackle tip for you. So the fish that we caught this morning, 2 of them, been on our traditional downline bite or downline rig, and we have like a 20 series Okuma reel, 12-15 pound main line. This is actually a 7.5 foot striper series rod. We have either a 1 ounce or 2 ounce trolling sinker, and then a 12 pound fluorocarbon leader. Where's the hook at? And this one's actually got a small hook on it, but we had like a number 2, number 1 hook, octopus hook. And for bait, we were using trout. And these are just the run-of-the-mill trout that you can buy at the store. Very hard to get out of a net. You know, they're 6-8 inches. Just hatchery trout, and hooking the hook in their nostril there, coming through their mouth. And it makes for an expensive hobby. Those jokers are expensive, so if we don't catch anything, we're going to eat them. So, just kidding. But anyway, that's our tackle tip of the week. Alright, we're back, and hey, I even threw in a tackle tip for the day, so hopefully it's showing somebody how to do something. And if y'all want me to go more in depth on that stuff, I've got some more videos like right here that show how to do that, how to set up your tackle and everything for what kind of fishing I do. But anyway, I hope everybody's having a great day, great weekend. I hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving. Hope you didn't eat too much. I did. Probably will when I get home. But anyway, if y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up. That other button works too, but we're not going to use it. Hit that little subscribe button. Hit that bell to be notified when I put a video out. Looked a few minutes ago, we're at 389 subscribers. If I could hit 400 by New Year's, that'd be awesome. I don't get paid for this, but just seeing the numbers run up is pretty good. I'm a numbers guy anyway, so. But anyway, I'm going to let you go, and hope everybody's having a great day. Have a great evening, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.